Hi friends, we are back again. Once again I remember you. My name is Srikar. I am the Managing Director of Sathik Group, looking after sales and production. So last week there was a technical problem with the issue of going live on this one, but we were able to telecast it on live. But we are not able to record the video and post it in our website. As already we announced the gift coupon, the things are going smoothly. But coming to this week, I want to brief you about other related things. Like one thing is majorly related to COVID. Already kindly maintain the social distance, keep sanitizing your hands, frequently wash your hands with the soap, and wear the mask. So primarily use items like take steaming regularly, use the multivitamin tablets to boost the immunity. So certain things are there, consult your doctor and maintain the immunity well maintained in your body. So coming to our market scenario, so due to lockdown we are unable to give the proper services which related to delivering of our gift items to your location, and we are trying our level best to coordinate with the winners to deliver their items to their door delivery. So the things are going smoothly, but little time delay in the process. So coming to this week, I want to brief you about our products, about the duplication of our brand. So recently we came across one problem with our duplication in the brand, so which we want to highlight in this platform. So some certain people are duplicating our brand, so kindly beware of the duplicators. You will get a very bad quality and certain thing goes wrong and you will be legally prosecuted. So just check. This is the duplicate bag. You can check the bowl of the rice, which is not to our original brand, and mainly this is not an holographic bag, and here there is no FSSAI number and the companies are not existing. If something goes wrong or you are due to adulteration something goes wrong, you will be facing the consequences of legal problems. So shopkeepers should be very much careful regarding when you purchase the duplicate brands. So for the original products, you have to check the bowl of the rice which we have, which is in center of the bag. Second thing is it's a holographic bag. So total bag is a holographic bag where you have got all our brands and group name registered on this holographic film. So you can check this film and you can buy the products. And we have only corporate office in Bangalore, Yeshwanthpur Market Yard, and we have our production office at Raichur in Gadwal Road. All our units are located in the Gadwal Road only, Raichur. So you can check this one and can you check the social media things. And we have one social cause, like when you buy our products, we, for every quintal of rice what we sell, we do donate that 1 rupee to the SPS Welfare Trust, whereby we are helping our farmers to in many ways, like from the education part to training the farmers to cultivate the better the paddy. So not only that one, we are even helping them to get the proper warehouses and funding and all those related things which will help the farmer to increase the yield of the paddy as well as his personal life also. So these are certain things which we maintain in our platform. Like SPS Welfare Trust is in trust where we have all these things helping the farmers. And one more thing what I wanted to notice, like we do have this holographic ribbon stitched along with the bag. This is a seal which you use on the bag. So kindly do check before buying the products. So there are certain codes, even we use the color thread to seal the bag. So do check before buying our products. Don't buy the duplicate products and don't encourage these people who duplicate the brands. If something goes wrong, you will be responsible on all the legal proceedings. So kindly beware of the cheaters. And coming to this week, there are 276 coupons have been issued in this week from the date 17th of May to 23rd of May, and this is our 8th week. Okay, And this week we are giving away a Philips vacuum cleaner for the winner. So kindly, like we are announcing this gift for this week. So do wait for the lucky person who is going to get the lucky gift for this week. Yeah, Mr. Pawan, he's our assistant marketing manager. So he'll be helping me out in drawing the things today. Do follow us in the social media marketing so that you will be updated about our schemes, as well as gift items, as well as lucky draw winners, as well as other information related to our products. And we are maintaining a quiz competition every week. The lucky winners will be getting a gift hamper from us every week. So can you do follow, participate in the quiz competition every week, so which we are going to start from this week onwards. So can you do participate in the quiz competition? You will be excited to receive our kit from our company. In the kit you will have the rice, all our staple products. As you can see, these are the staple products which we are manufacturing right now from us. These are a whole set of products what we have. So kindly do buy our products, suggest us what best we can do it in upgrading our products further, and we are sure that the persons who buys the product will definitely repeat our product again and again. Okay. First. So for the Philips vacuum cleaner this week, the lucky number it goes to 20210-6142. I repeat once again, 20210-6142 is the lucky winner for today's lucky gift, Philips vacuum cleaner. Thank you for all the visitors like who are on the live to watch us and curious about our gift hampers for this week. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.